This video is provided for educational and informational purposes only. It does not provide financial or investment advice.
Most people believe their money problems begin with income, but income is rarely where control actually starts. Money is shaped by systems you don't see, quietly running in the background of everyday life. And once those systems become visible, effort stops being the main struggle. Welcome to FIH Neuro Mindset, where finance keeps life running, investment helps money grow, and mindset decides how well both work. What people think controls their money. Most people believe money is controlled by visible actions. How much they earn, how hard they work, how disciplined they are. These explanations feel logical because they are visible. When money feels tight, the response is almost automatic. Work more, budget harder, push discipline further. And sometimes these actions help, briefly. But brief improvement is not control. If income truly controlled money, high earners would feel secure. If discipline solved money problems, they wouldn't repeat. If effort worked long-term, stress wouldn't scale with experience. Yet, the same patterns repeat across income levels. Not because people are careless, but because effort operates inside systems people never see. And systems always outlast effort. If effort alone controlled money, experience would eliminate mistakes. Why this belief feels so true? This belief survives because effort sometimes works. A raise creates relief. A budget creates order. Cutting expenses reduces pressure. The brain loves immediate feedback, so it links effort to control. But money systems respond slowly. By the time stress returns, the brain blames circumstances, not structure. Inflation, responsibility, bad timing. The system remains untouched. This is why people don't change strategy. They increase intensity. They try harder inside the same framework, which creates exhaustion, not stability. When results fade, the brain demands more effort, not better systems. The first quiet controller, default systems. Every financial life runs on defaults, not choices, defaults. Income arrives with instructions already attached. Bills activate automatically. Subscriptions renew silently. Lifestyle costs execute first. By the time thinking begins, money is already moving. Defaults feel harmless because they're invisible. But invisibility is power. When spending is automatic and saving is optional, the system trains behavior. When comfort is default and discipline requires effort, the brain chooses comfort. This is not weakness, it is design. And design beats intention every time. Defaults decide what feels normal, and normal decisions don't feel like decisions at all. If you want to understand your money, Observe what happens without your involvement. The second quiet controller, time pressure. Time pressure is one of the most underestimated financial forces. Not lack of money, lack of time. When decisions are rushed, the brain prioritizes relief. Convenience replaces optimization. Today replaces tomorrow. This is how premiums go unnoticed, how subscriptions accumulate, how planning gets postponed. Under time pressure, money becomes reactive. And reactive systems don't improve, they stabilize stress. Over time, urgency becomes identity. I don't have time slowly becomes, this is just how my finances are. The most expensive decisions are rarely emotional, they're rushed. Why awareness changes outcomes. Awareness doesn't change numbers immediately. It changes trajectory. Once systems become visible, behavior stops fighting blindly. People stop blaming effort. They stop chasing intensity. They stop mistaking movement for progress. This is where real control begins. Not with restriction, not with motivation, but with clarity. Clarity slows decisions. Slowness restores choice. Choice creates stability. From the outside, nothing looks dramatic. From the inside, pressure starts fading. If understanding money at this level helps you think more clearly, this channel is built entirely around that idea. The line most people never cross. Most people never cross from effort to structure. Not because it's difficult, but because effort feels familiar. Systems feel abstract. Yet, every calm financial life is built on structure, not struggle. Defaults adjusted, time pressure reduced, awareness preserved. Not perfection, stability. And stability compounds quietly. There's another system that scales stress even when income rises. That's what we'll break down next. Money doesn't need more effort. It needs clearer systems. And systems, once seen, can be changed.
Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed the video. We appreciate your time and hope to see you again soon. Subscribe to FIH Neuro Mindset, hit that like button, and ring the bell for updates. Thanks for joining.